Hello students. Now we are going to start our new topic, area of triangle using determinant. Suppose we have three vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Now what we can do is we have to find area of this triangle ABC. Now we are using determinant method here, so we have to use formula area of triangle ABC equals to half determinant x1 y1 1. So this is the first coordinate x1 y1, this is the coordinate of A. Second x2 y2 1, this is the coordinate of B. And third x3 y3 1, this is the coordinate of C. Now the answer should be in square units and the area is always positive. Area cannot be negative. Now if we are calculating the points or coordinates, we have to take or assume area both positive or negative for the particular values. But if we are calculating area ABC and we are getting answer in negative, so we have to convert this negative answer into positive. Why? Because area is a scalar quantity, so its answer should be in positive number. Okay, so 2 points to be noted. Area is always positive, and second, if area is given, we have to use both positive and negative values. We have to use both positive and negative values. Now by using this determinant method, we can check whether the points are collinear or not. Suppose if the points are collinear, suppose A, B, C are collinear, then the area of triangle would be 0. So if we are getting area of triangle ABC 0, it means points A, B and C are collinear. So we have to use the formula x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equals to 0, where x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 are coordinates of the 3 points A, B and C. Okay, now we are going to solve some questions of exercise 4.3. Now to illustrate the formula, now we have three coordinates 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. Now area of triangle equals to half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now we are taking 2, 7 as x1 y1, 1, 1 as x2 y2 and 10, 8 as x3 y2. Now we are substituting the value of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 in the determinant. So we get 1 by 2, 2, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 10, 8, 1. Now we are expanding in terms of first row. So we have 2 into 1 into 1 minus 8 into 1 minus 8, 2 into 1 minus 8. Now second term minus 7 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into 10 minus 10, and third term is plus 1, which is 1 into 8 minus 10. So 2 into minus 7 minus 14 plus 63 minus 2. So the final answer is 47 by 2. Square units. We have to mention the square units, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Now second question is, show that the points A is A comma B plus C, B is B comma C plus A and C is C comma A plus B are collinear. Now what we are doing is we are using formula of triangle ABC, half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now in first column we have ABC, x1, x2, x3. In second column we have y1, y2, y3, b plus c, c plus a plus b, and third column 1. Now we have two methods, either you can expand it or either you can use property. So we are using here property. Now what we are doing is we are adding column 2 to column first, then we are using formula C1 equals to C1 plus C2. So first column will be A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Now we can take A plus B plus C common from first column. So we have to use property or operator. C1 equals to C1 divided by A plus B plus C. So we have to multiply A plus B plus C outside the determinant. Now we have half A plus B plus C 1 1 1, B plus C plus A plus B 1 1 1. So we can see that first column and third column are same. So determinant for this term is 0. So 1 by 2 A plus B plus C into 0 is 0. So points, since that area of triangle is 0, so points are collinear. This is the way to prove collinear